I've got a little mini here from Tarte and Free Gift Friday. So if you want to know what that's all about, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So first I want to show you Free Gift Friday. If you get on the mailing list for New Beauty, whether you get their test tube beauty or you sign up to watch their shows or purchase one of their VIP boxes, you can sign up to get emails and text messages, which is what I do. So not every Friday, but several Fridays, maybe it's every other Friday. I'm not really sure how often they do it. They have their Free Gift Friday, and all you have to do is pay shipping and handling. Now, that being said, on a package like this that I would pay for what's in here, maybe $5, it's $12.95 to ship. But considering what you're getting inside, I figure that that's basically the price of the free gift. So this is the first time I got one. This just stood out as something that I wanted to try, or I have tried and really liked. I can't remember which. I tried the brand, but not the particular item. So they have a little QR code to gain access to more exclusive offerings and contents from your friends at Beauty Pass. I can't imagine what else there is. This smells like bubblegum in here. This is their, by Wish Beauty, is their Bright Citrus Super Cream with baguette. So it's a nice night item. I'm feeling a little wet in here, but it looks to be perfectly fine. So here we go. This is a female-founded brand. They are cruelty-free. So I do like this brand. I've used many things from this brand. This had a really big price tag. I'll put it up here. I don't remember what it was, but I feel it was in the $80 range. But it'll be over there. Yeah, it's sealed, so it couldn't have come out of here. I'm not going to unseal this. This has intense hydration. This is a great alternative to retinol if you either don't tolerate retinol well or you don't want to use retinol. This is a great alternative, and it's much more gentle than retinol on your skin. So this says it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with the baguette, and the coffee extract prevents moisture loss with niacinamide and deeply hydrates using olive oil, allantoin, and some sort of melon seed oil. Cowchari, maybe? All right, so that's what Free Gift Friday is all about. It's not a scam. They will send it to you. It's New Beauty, and they have great, great things. Okay, so next, I got this little box from Tarte, but I got this off of Good Morning America's Deals and Steals, 50% off all the time, sometimes even more than 50% off. So Tarte at these prices, I had to opt in. I had to say, yep, I got to get some of this. And one of the great things is, so you're gonna go on Good Morning America's Deals and Steals site. You're gonna see what they have to offer. If it's a makeup brand, you can go right to that site and get a really good look at what that's gonna look like. And then some companies even have a try before you buy option in which you can virtually try it on. So that's what I did with some of the products in here. Here is my little package. Now, Tarte is cruelty-free, and they're female-founded. And I got 4 items. Now, I'm going to tell you, I paid full price for one of these items at Ulta. So to see it in here, in Good Morning America's Deals and Steals for 50% off, this is not a scam. Like, you get these items. You get them in a timely manner. The one time I didn't, I ordered some Chrissy's cookies, which apparently it said was a Oprah favorite. So I said, all right, I'll give them a try. And they are delicious. They actually lost my order. They reached out to me and said, we think we lost your order. Could you confirm you didn't receive it? And before you could even answer them, like a half hour later, the next email from them was, yeah, we lost your order. We're getting it right back out to you. Not only did they get it right back out to me, but they added more cookies to it because that's what this girl needs is more cookies, right? I'm just saying they did really, really well. So I've ordered lots of things off of that site. It is totally legit. You can also go to view your deal, which is part of the view. And I don't get any kickbacks for any of this. I just like to spread the savings. And to get these savings on a brand like Tarte, it's amazing. So I got their Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. Now I paid for a different color of this though. I paid, I think, $22 for this in Ulta. And then my daughter got some other thing, and I have never seen either one since. She immediately took both mine and hers, because we had gift cards, both mine and hers, put them in her backpack, and I've never seen them again. So you better believe this is not going to be something she even sees, because I won't see it. You could try these on virtually. I liked that. I like that they're a lip plump. They don't sting at all. There is how it looks. It's a gorgeous color, and it really nurtures your lips. So not only does it help plump them, but your lips are going to feel nice and creamy with this line. And I have these little old lips, so I'm always looking to plump them up. Then I got the Maracuja Juicy Shift. So this is a shifting. Oh, the first one was in the color Lotus. There was a lot of colors sold out. This is a shifting one. This is in bubblegum, and I believe it shifts with your pH. So how it looks on me may look different on how it looks on you. All right, so it looks pretty neutral right there, right? Pretty light. But I did virtually try this one on as well. All right, so you can't see it. It is just a clear right there, but then it does have like a little bit of a shift in color. And these came in like a purple and a blue, and I wanted to go with something that was just a little bit more of a neutral, just in case it showed up a little bit darker than I might have wanted as an everyday product. Then I got their, what is this? Fake Awake Stick. So this is to go in your waterline. They had this in white and this neutral color. It's an eye highlighter. And again, you're just going to put it. Okay, here's how it looks. So just tie that up. Trying to figure out what's on the end here. Oh, just a thicker one. It's an eraser. Kind of feels like an eraser. Okay. It's like an eraser or smudger. So it is just this neutral color here, put it in a very bad place, but you're just gonna come in and just put it on your waterline to give you a more awake and alert look. Again, they did have this in white, but I thought that might be too much, so I went with the more neutral color. Next, I got the Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape. I did pick this color using their virtual, so hopefully it is right. This is the Radiant Light. And again, I went outside to make sure I had the right kind of lighting, and it was a bright day, a lot of snow on the ground, so reflective. All right, so there it is. That is a little lighter than I usually go with, but I think for right under my eyes, I think that's going to blend in nicely. And then I got the Double Duty Foundation Face Tape in what color, what shade? Light beige. Again, using their virtual assistant to try it before I buy it. I'm not going to get air in the pump. Oh, there was no pump. It's, okay. That's weird. I feel like there should be a pump in there. So there it is on. And so there, I think that's going to be a good color. We'll have to check and see if this is supposed to have a tube in there. I'll check at Ulta. They usually have these for display. So I'll check and see if theirs have tubes. Then I may have to contact Tarte and get this exchanged. So that is my mini Tarte haul at a fraction of the price. So really, y'all got to go check out Good Morning America Deals and Steals. See what they have. Check out The View. I check them pretty religiously, almost every day. I would say I check them, or at least Good Morning America, because The View, well, even Good Morning America doesn't have different ones every day, but you just never know. And theirs load up first thing in the morning, so I can do that while I'm in my car. So I love to check out what they have. I've purchased all kinds of things, love it all. I think you guys will too. So check them out. Really, it's going to save you some money. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.